So you have a lot of different materials here. It looks that you've been working on some baskets. Can you explain some of these materials that you brought with you?
Sure, I'd be glad to. I'll start with this little basket and work out. This little basket is the warps, which are the spikes going upward, are tule or bulrush. And I'm weaving with split cattail leaves. And I start, all baskets where I come from is that you start at the bottom, you weave from the bottom, and then you weave upwards. And you can see how I'm doing that on this basket, starting from the bottom, and then I'm weaving up. And so that's how this basket was made. The cross weave actually strengthens the warps. And just by itself, if I just wove it with the spokes straight up, it wouldn't be a very strong basket. And this is a miniature version, but it still can be used. If we go out and harvest roots, we can put our roots in there. The big baskets were made more along this line. And again, this is tule. And it has a V bottom, a V base. And then it spreads out, it opens up at the top. And again, this was used for harvest, and this is one for a child. The ones that adults used were probably about this big and about that round, and I have made baskets that size. And they're used primarily for harvesting root and bulb food items. So that's sort of a summary of these harvest baskets. And again, this is a bigger version of a cross warp, same material, tule and cattail. And I'm using tule and cattail because my experience in researching in museums, a lot of the baskets of the Wasco Sally bags were made with split cattail leaves and then some tule. A lot of the baskets are also, the Wasco Sally bags are also made with dog bane. And I brought a sample of dog bane. Dog bane is a very labor-intensive fiber. Tule and cattail I can just go out and cut and dry, and then when I'm ready to work with it, it's ready to go. But dog bane is different. It's a long stem like this. This is just a sample. And the stem can get anywhere from 3 feet up to about 8 feet high. And what we want is the bark, so we strip the inside out and we're left with the bark. And so it's sort of a rough looking. And then we process the fibers of the bark to get this real soft fiber. And then I keep processing it until it gets pretty soft like human hair.